Understanding Stay Up, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English easy and fun for everyone. Today, we have an interesting topic. The phrase, stay up. This phrase is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding its nuances can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and explore what stay up really means. Firstly, let's understand the literal meaning. Stay up simply means not going to bed at your usual time. It could be due to various reasons like work, watching a movie, or just because you're not feeling sleepy. It's a straightforward phrase but has a couple of interesting uses. Now, let's see how this phrase is used in different scenarios. 1. Late-night activities. I stayed up late last night watching my favorite show. Here, it indicates deliberately remaining awake beyond your usual bedtime. 2. Effort to remain awake. I had to stay up to finish my assignment. This implies making an effort to avoid sleep due to some obligation or necessity. 3. Keeping others awake. Sometimes, it's used in a slightly different sense, like, don't stay up for me. Here, the speaker suggests that others shouldn't delay their bedtime because of them. Stay up is often found in everyday expressions. Let's look at some. 1. Stay up late emphasizes the lateness of the hour. 2. Stay up all night indicates being awake the entire night. 3. Stay up waiting for someone suggests waiting for someone until late, often out of concern or obligation. Understanding cultural contexts is key. In many cultures, staying up late is associated with work, studying, or partying. In English-speaking cultures, there's often a casual, almost adventurous tone to staying up late. Tip: when using stay up in conversation, pair it with your reason for doing so. It makes your statement more relatable and clearer. So, there you have it. Stay up is a simple yet versatile phrase in the English language, useful in various contexts. Whether you're talking about a late-night movie marathon or burning the midnight oil for work, now you can express it like a pro. Hope this video helps you in your English learning journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Happy learning, and remember, it's okay to stay up sometimes, especially for learning something new.